Hey, it's Emily from SupplyHouse.com, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the Honeywell EConnect wireless system. This system takes line voltage electric heat control to a whole new level with wireless installation, eliminating the need to open walls for system or control upgrades. It's a two-piece system that includes both a control and an equipment interface module that can be used in electric heat, baseboard heat, convector, or fan-forced heat applications. Operating at 120 or 240 volts, the EConnect control and interface module communicate with each other using Honeywell RedLINK wireless technology. The Honeywell EConnect can work with other RedLINK devices such as the portable comfort control and wireless outdoor sensor, as well as the Total Connect Comfort app and portal. The battery-powered thermostat in the EConnect system has 5-2 and 7-day programmability. It's a single-pole thermostat that can be installed on the wall, where it can provide ideal home comfort control and convenience for the user. The dimensions are 5.13 inches tall by 3.22 inches wide by 1.14 inches deep, and it can save up to 33% on energy bills. One thermostat can control up to 8 baseboards in a single room. The equipment interface module can be mounted directly on most baseboards with knockouts. It has 6-inch tinned copper lead wires and a thermistor sensor element. The Honeywell EConnect wireless system comes with a 5-year warranty. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.